I like big bags, I can't deny. You other preppers can't deny. When a girl walks in with a big bug out bag, your face goes, wow! Hey everyone, Morgan here. Hope you like that little intro. I just want to have a little fun with this video. You know, a lot of people have been giving me crap about the size of my bag. And I'm a small person. I'm only 5'2". Everybody thinks that I'm taller, bigger, whatever. I'm not. I'm 5'2". I'm like 115 pounds, okay? But I know a lot of people are automatically going to be like, you need this size bug out bag and you can't carry any more weight than that. The fact is, this bag looks big on me, but I'm a small person in general, so most bags are going to look big on me. But at the same time, what's the difference between a big bug out bag like this and like a big hiking bag or backpacking bag? What's the difference between those? I wear a big backpacking or hiking bag and nobody says anything. But I wear a little bigger bug out bag than what it looks normal, than what should look normal on me. And I get HE double L. Look, this is my bunch, okay? This is my bug out, I'm never going home bag. And this is also a bag where I can carry some stuff for my dogs. My dogs do carry some stuff, but I carry some stuff as well for them. And I have to carry some stuff for my baby until she's old enough to carry some of her own stuff. So this is not just for me, but this is partially for my dogs, and this is mainly for my child, you know. And a lot of people are like, well, just get a stroller, just get a wagon, just get this stuff. But there are a lot of terrains and things that a stroller and a wagon just simply won't work. A backpack is on my person. I have the capability to have a backpack and walk with a backpack and wear a backpack, so I do. And there's nothing wrong with that. If you can handle your bug out bag and the weight it is, if you have an 80-pound bug out bag, who am I to judge your bug out bag? I'm nobody to judge your bug out bag, and neither is anybody else. There's nobody out there who can judge your bug out bag and how it works for you, okay? If it works for you, great. Don't let other people get in your head and tell you that, you know, wow, that bag is too big for you, this, that, and the other. We all have misconceptions, and we all kind of pop off saying like, oh wow, that's too big for them, or that's not gonna work for them, blah, 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 because we all think that we know best based on our own preparedness. But our preparedness, it's not your preparedness. My preparedness isn't your preparedness. And while I give ideas and suggestions, just because I give ideas and suggestions doesn't mean that you have to take them. Take them into consideration, think about them if they're going to be good for your needs. If they're not, don't worry about it. There's so many different ways to prep that we're all on our own journey, okay? This is a journey in our preparedness. So be prepared how you feel the best that you can be prepared, and that's all there is to it. Don't let anybody make you feel bad about your preparedness, you know, with maybe lack of or too much of stuff, okay? I'm an over prepper, period. That's why I have a bunch and not just a bug out bag for 72 hours. I have a bunch because, you know, I like to be prepared. I like to not be caught off guard and to have things that I know that I need, and as well as gaining skills so that I can come out, you know, and build a shelter without a bunch of gear and stuff like that. But because I'm a prepper, I can prep and have that gear that I want right off the bat. And then maybe later on I can put those other skills that I've learned into practice, you know, without having to need so much gear. But there's nothing wrong with gear, okay? I love gear. Gear is great. I'm a prepper. I'm gonna prep gear to the best of my ability. I don't know how much my bag weighs. I don't really care, to be quite honest. All I care is that it fits well on me. I love the bag, and I'm going to continue to use it and to wear it as long as I feel that it is working out for me. So that's all there is to it. You do you, and just be as prepared as you possibly can. And if an 80-pound bug out bag is what you need, then guy, girl, you do it. You do you. Talk to you later. I may be small, but I am mighty, and I train with my bunch bag on a regular basis. Can you say the same thing? If you like my videos, please consider following me on facebook.com/armedrogue, instagram.com/morganrogue. Also, please visit my website at morganrogue.com for training, blogs, and a whole bunch of exciting challenges and a whole bunch of other stuff. And if you like this channel, please consider supporting me at patreon.com. All the links are down below. If I get to my $500 goal, then I'll be doing an apocalyptic video that I wrote myself. Oh yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.